Welcome to this first episode of the Health Beat podcast, coming to you from the Clean Hands Matter organization. I am your host, Robin Kell. Today I'm going to talk about why hand washing matters on a college campus and how it will keep students healthier. I will also talk about how students are spreading infectious diseases, how students can prevent the spread of these diseases, and what are some of the common reasons why students are not washing their hands. David M. Behrens of the CDC says hand washing is one of the most important steps to take to not get sick and to not spread germs to your friends and loved ones. I'll put a link to this in the show notes. College students believe that hand washing is important, but they're not doing it. Some of the most common diseases on a college campus are upper respiratory diseases such as the cold and flu virus and diarrheal disease caused by the norovirus. Diseases are mostly spread by not cleaning your hands properly after touching contaminated objects such as handrails, doorknobs, and toilets. As students go around campus touching these things, they may be unaware that every time they touch their face, they are potentially putting infectious germs into their body. Germs are also getting left behind when students cough and sneeze into their hands or into the air, then other students breathe them in or touch them as the germs land on other surfaces. The way to prevent this transfer of germs into your body is by hand washing. It is proven that as hand washing increases, infectious diseases decrease. This was made very clear on a college campus in Canada in 2006. The University of Guelph had an outbreak of the norovirus that made hundreds of students sick with diarrheal disease. Many of the students laid sick in bed for days, missing important classes and time off work. The norovirus is mainly spread through the fecal-oral route. Fecal matter can live on your hands even after using hand sanitizer, as these students were doing prior to the outbreak. Due to the university not providing soap and hand towels for the students in the restrooms, the risk for them getting sick was greatly increased. The thing that stopped the spread of this disease on campus was hand washing with soap and water. And soap was eventually provided by this school. Now, let's fast forward to today. A lack of soap and water is not the problem on most college campuses. So why are students not washing their hands? Surveys show the common reasons for not hand washing on campus are 28% of the students complain about irritation and dryness, 24% of the students say they are too lazy to wash their hands, 23% say they forget to wash their hands, and 6.3% of the students say they did not know about the importance of washing their hands. Other reasons are they are not interested, or they think they cannot get sick, or they are skeptical that hand washing will make a difference. Whatever the reason for not hand washing, it's important to ask yourself, what is my reason for not hand washing? The American College Health Association says that illness has a negative effect on academic performance. The fact is that most students who wash their hands are sick less often than those who don't wash their hands. The best reasons for hand washing is cost effective because it results in less visits to the doctor, less medicine is needed, less days are missed off work and classes, resulting in less sick time for college friends and faculty. It simply makes sense to wash your hands, and it helps the whole school be healthy if you do. And that matters. It only takes 20 seconds to stay healthy, so wash your hands because clean hands matter. I want to thank everyone for listening today, and I hope this was informative. Several resources were used today, and they will be included in the show notes.